Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. Again. You hit snooze. Again. You drag yourself out of bed knowing you're about to spend the next 9 hours making someone else rich. Again. And the worst part? You've been doing this for 5 years, 10 years, maybe 15 years, and you're not any closer to freedom than the day you started. You've heard about passive income. You've seen the videos. Make money while you sleep, financial freedom, quit the 9 to 5. But every time you try to figure it out, it's either some scam promising $10,000 in 30 days, or the math is so complicated you give up. Here's what nobody's telling you. The math is actually simple, stupidly simple, but there are 2 traps that will destroy you even if you do everything right. In the next 10 minutes, I'm showing you the exact numbers, the realistic timeline, and the mistakes that keep people trapped forever, even the ones with millions in the bank. Let's go. Let me ask you something, and be honest. How much of your life are you trading for money right now? You wake up tired. You skip breakfast because you're running late. You sit in traffic or cram into a subway, surrounded by strangers who look just as dead inside as you feel. You get to the office, you check emails, you sit in meetings that could have been emails, you do work that doesn't matter, you smile at your boss even though you're screaming inside. Lunch? 15 minutes if you're lucky, eating sad desk salad while pretending to look busy. Then more emails, more meetings, more pretending. You finally leave at 6 or 7 or 8 because there's always more work. You get home exhausted, too tired to cook, so you order food you can't really afford. Too tired to work out, too tired to work on your dreams. You watch Netflix for 2 hours to forget how much you hate your life. You go to bed, you do it all again tomorrow. 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year, for the next 30 years. And here's the thing that keeps you up at 3 a.m. The crushing realization that you're giving away the best years of your life, your energy, your time, your youth. For what? A paycheck that barely covers your bills? You're not building anything, you're not creating anything, you're just surviving. And every month you tell yourself, next month I'll start investing. Next month I'll figure out passive income. Next month I'll change my life. But next month never comes. I know this feeling because I lived it, and I'm going to show you the way out. My name doesn't matter. What matters is I spent 7 years trapped in exactly what I just described. Corporate job, good salary on paper, completely miserable in reality. I tried everything. Drop shipping, crypto, affiliate marketing, lost money on all of it. Until I finally understood the math, the real math, not the guru BS. And in the last 4 years, I've built enough passive income to cover my rent, then my rent and food, then my entire life. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not retired on a beach, but I quit my job 8 months ago and I sleep better than I have in a decade. So here's what I'm going to show you. The exact formula, the realistic timeline, the amount you actually need, and the 2 psychological traps that destroy everyone. This isn't theory. This is exactly what worked. First, let's kill the lies. Lie number 1. You can make passive income quickly. Wrong. Building real passive income takes years, not months. Years. Anyone telling you different is selling you something. Lie number 2. You need to be rich to start. Also wrong. You can start with $100 a month, but you have to start. Lie number 3. Passive income means doing nothing. The biggest lie. Passive income means you do massive work up front, and then it pays you forever. It's not zero work, it's different work. Now, here's the truth, the math that actually works. You need to know 2 numbers: how much you need per month to live, and how much money you need invested to generate that. Let's say you need $3,000 a month. That's $36,000 a year. Not rich, just comfortable. Enough to pay rent, buy food, have a life. Here's the formula. Multiply your yearly need by 25. $36,000 times 25 equals $900,000. I can hear you right now. $900,000? Are you insane? I can barely save $900. Stay with me. That $900,000 invested in simple index funds, averaging 7 to 8% returns, generates about $63,000 a year. You take out $36,000 to live. The other $27,000 reinvests to fight inflation. Your money makes money, forever. But here's what changes everything. You don't need $900,000 tomorrow. If you're 25 years old and invest $400 every single month, you'll hit $900,000 by age 58. Invest $600 a month, you'll hit it by 52. Invest $1,000 a month, you'll get there by 46. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need the full amount to feel the freedom. Let's say you build up $200,000. At 4%, that's $800 a month. That might let you go part-time, or quit the job you hate and take the one you love that pays less. $300,000? That's $1,200 a month. That's rent covered, forever. See, passive income isn't all or nothing. Every dollar you invest is buying back pieces of your life. But now, here's where everyone screws up. Trap number 1. You sacrifice your entire life to get there. I'm going to tell you about Derek. Derek made $70,000 a year. He wanted to retire by 40 with $1 million. So he moved into the cheapest apartment he could find, shared with 3 roommates, ate rice and beans every single day, never went out, never dated, never traveled, saved 70% of his income. His friends called him crazy. His family worried about him. But Derek had a plan. He was 34 when I met him. 6 years into his journey, he had $450,000 saved. He was on track, the math was working, and he was the most miserable person I'd ever met. His best friend got married, destination wedding in Mexico. Derek didn't go, too expensive. His mom got sick. He visited once because he couldn't afford more flights. He met a girl he really liked. She wanted to go to concerts, try new restaurants, travel. He said no to everything. She left. Derek was buying his future by destroying his present. And here's the worst part. When I asked him what he'd do when he hit his number, he had no idea. He'd spent so long saying no to life, he forgot how to say yes. 6 years of his 30s, gone. Not spent living, spent waiting to live. That's the first trap, delaying your life so much that you forget how to live it. You can't sacrifice today for tomorrow and expect to magically know how to be happy when you get there. So what's the answer? Build a life you actually enjoy that costs less than you make. Not the cheapest life possible, a good life that's sustainable. Maybe you need $3,000 a month to survive, but you build a life you love for $2,500. You're not suffering, you're choosing, and you invest the $500. Over 30 years, that's still $600,000. You're free, and you lived along the way. But there's a second trap that's even worse. Trap number 2. You hit your number and you're too terrified to use it. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah is 49 years old. She has $1.8 million invested. Her target number was $1.2 million. She hit her target 4 years ago. 4 years. And she's still working. Still at the corporate job she wanted to escape. Still waking up at 6 a.m. feeling dead inside. I asked her, "Sarah, why are you still here? You have enough. You won." And she said something that broke my heart. What if there's a market crash? What if I calculated wrong? What if inflation gets worse? What if I get sick? What if I live to 95? What if? What if? What if? She had more money than she needed. The math said she was free, but psychologically she was still trapped because nobody taught her how to trust the system. Nobody taught her how to actually live off her investments. She'd spent 20 years accumulating, building the pile, watching the number grow, but she never practiced using it. And now, even with $1.8 million, she felt broke. That's the second trap. You optimize for the number, but not for the psychology. You need to build trust in your system before you jump. Here's how. When you get a dividend payment, try living off just that for a week. See how it feels. Build confidence while you still have your safety net. When you hit 50% of your goal, take a 1-month sabbatical. Live off your passive income for 30 days. Prove to yourself it works. Practice the mindset shift while you still have the job. Don't wait until you quit to figure out if you can handle it. Because here's the truth. The hardest part of passive income isn't building it, it's trusting it enough to actually use it. So here's what you actually need to do. Step by step, no BS. Step 1. Calculate your real number. Not the Instagram lifestyle, not what your friends spend. What do you need to feel good? Be honest. Write it down. Step 2. Start investing today. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. Even if it's $50. Open a brokerage account. Buy a simple index fund like VTI or VOO. Set up automatic monthly investments. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Step 3. Increase your income. You can't invest what you don't have. Ask for a raise, switch jobs, start a side hustle. The gap between what you make and what you spend is everything. Step 4. Build the life, not just the number. Don't live like you're broke. Don't sacrifice every joy. Find the things that make you happy that don't cost much. Invest the rest. Step 5. Track your progress. Every quarter, calculate how much passive income you're generating. Watch it grow. $200 a month, then $400, then $800. Celebrate the milestones. $50,000 invested, $100,000. Each one is buying you freedom. Step 6. Practice living on it. Before you quit anything, prove your system works. Live off your passive income for a month while you still have your job. And here's the most important part. Redefine what freedom means. Freedom isn't quitting everything and doing nothing. Freedom is options. Maybe passive income means you work 3 days a week instead of 5. Maybe it means you take the job you love that pays $30,000 less. Maybe it means you say yes to helping your parents without financial stress. Maybe it means you travel for 3 months knowing your investments are working while you're gone. You don't need $1 million to feel the benefits. Every $100 a month in passive income is freedom you didn't have before. Listen, I know you're tired. Tired of the alarm, tired of the commute, tired of pretending you care about quarterly reports and synergy and circling back. I know you lie awake at night wondering if this is all there is. I know you've tried before and failed. I know you're scared to hope because hope hurts when it dies. But here's what I need you to understand. The math works. It genuinely, provably works. You don't need to be special. You don't need to be lucky. You just need to start and not stop. 10 years from now, you'll either be exactly where you are right now, still miserable, still trapped, still waiting for next month, or you'll be free. The only difference is what you do today. So open that brokerage account, invest that first $100, start building the machine that will eventually set you free. Your future self is begging you to start. Don't let them down. If this helped you, subscribe. Drop a comment with your freedom number. And remember, you're closer than you think. Now, go build your escape plan.